Hello, good morning everyone. Today I plan to do a love reading for a Cancerians because the sun will soon be moving out of the zodiac sign and your season is ending from 20th June to 20th July. So this may or may not resonate with each one of you. The cross watchers can also take the story from this. So let's begin. First of all, I will take out the cards for you, my Cancerians. What are the cards for you? First of all, I'll take out the overall energy. My love team, please give the overall energy for my Cancerians. The love reading for the Cancerians. Give the overall energy for the Cancerians. What is the overall energy for the Cancerians? Alright, the overall energy is the devil in the reverse, which means that something toxic, something, there's another card also, the Hierophant in the reverse. Something toxic is about the relationship. It is more of a physical attraction, more of a lust, and there is a problem of commitment as well. Alright, so this is the overall energy of you Cancerians. Give me the recent past, my love team. What is the recent past of my love team? Please give the recent past of the Cancerians. What is the recent past of the Cancerians? Okay, so the recent past is the Moon card. Things are hidden from you. Things are not really clear. And there's a lot of confusion, illusions regarding this. Regarding your recent past. In the recent past, you are not really clear as to which way to go. Things are hidden from you now. Please give the current energy. My love team, please give the current energy for the Cancerians. This is also kind of water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There's also Taurus. There's also Capricorn, I can see. Now please give the current energy of my lovely Cancerians. Alright, so the current energy is Six of Cups. Six of Cups, which means that somebody from the past has approached you, or you might be dealing with the memories, nostalgia of the past memories. You are reminiscing things, you are remembering things. Please give the near future for my delicate Cancerians, because water elements are full of emotions all the time. They are very delicate with their feelings. So let's see what is the near future for the Cancerians. The near future is Page of Cups. Again, the water, the water element is here. This could be you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Either a love offer will be coming to you, or you might be offering somebody love or an apology. This is Page of Cups. And this is your near future. And what I see at the bottom of the deck is the Strength in the reverse. You are not really feeling very you're feeling very weak rather. This is what is coming at the bottom of the deck. So what I feel here, I'll give you an overall view. First of all, the overall energy is there's a commitment problem. There are things, this is something, some relationship is unhealthy about it. This could be more of a physical attraction. In the recent past, things are hidden from you. Things were rather hidden from you, and they are not very clear. You're living under an illusion, so you need to find the truth. Now in the current energy, you have Six of Cups. There is somebody from the past who has come back into your life, or excuse me, or you are living, you are living in memories or remembering very good times with this person. And in the near future, somebody will be approaching you or someone will approach you. So this is your energy. And now let's see what is your person's energy. What is this person's energy, my love team, of the lovely Cancerians? Cancerians, I think all the water elements are very, very sensitive and they can be hurt very easily. So we have to be very careful with their, feelings and all, and emotions. They are full of emotions all the time. Sometimes it is overly emotional. So now let's see what we have for the give the overall energy of, of your person. Let's see the overall energy of your person. Alright, the overall energy of your person is 6 of Wands. So that person is feeling very victorious about something. It could be regarding work, and that person could be a fire sign also. That is Aries, Leo, Sag. Maybe he has, at the workplace, he is really doing very well. He or she is doing very well. This is the overall energy for your partner. Now let's see what is the recent past of your person, Cancerians. What is the recent past? Let us see what is the recent past. Please give the recent past, my love team, for the Cancerians. The recent past, okay, the recent past is the Chariot. This is you, Cancer. This is your energy. So recently, exactly, they have got some sort of victory, success in something, and they are moving forward with a lot of confidence. This is the recent past of your partner. They are moving with a lot of confidence ahead and feeling very, very victorious. The ego can also be a little bit up. So let's see what's happening with them. What is their current energy? Current energy for the person of my Cancerians. Let's see what is the current energy of the person of the Cancerians. So the current energy is a Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles means that they are, I think they are in an energy of give and take. They are, being very generous towards someone, and they also seem to be in a position of doing charity to other people as well. So this is the current energy. And what is the near future of the person of the Cancerians? So let's see what is the near future. What is the near future of the Cancerians? Now this person could also be, I can see the three signs here: Aries, Leo, Sag, your earth sign, Taurus, Libra, Aquarius, but can also be a water element, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. All the three signs are here. So let's see what is in the near future of the person of the Cancerians. The near future, I would pick this card up. Okay, so there seems to be a little bit of delays in the beginning, in the starting of some, some sort of work or something. There seem to be a missed opportunity here, and at the bottom of the deck you have the Ace of Cups. So now if we compare and see what's going on, actually I feel that that Cancerians, you need to clarify things with this person. You need to clarify things with this person. This person is really victorious in his workplace or in her workplace or whatever situations she's in. But this person definitely doesn't seem to be committed to you. So you need to clarify the things, because see, this person is looking in another direction. And now then we have in the recent past, this is also Moon, this is also Chariot. This person is moving on. This person is busy with his own, in his own eye. Someone is really very much in their ego and everything, and they're not looking at you, and you are still in this energy of past. I think you are living in the past, that you had a very good relationship with this person or something like that, and whereas this person is like, this is treating you like as if they are doing a charity on you. This is the overall reading I get. And again, in the near future, you want to offer love to you, but I think this person is missing the opportunity to going forward with you. And I don't know, they are more busy with their work or something. So you are finding your strength to approach this person. It can also be that this person also, is so busy in his work or something, that this person is not actually concentrating on love or something. So maybe you are not ready to approach this person. You want to, but you're not ready to approach this person. So I feel you are more on the emotional front, and overall I feel that you need to give time, you need to gain your strength to approach this person, and only after clarifying and verifying things, because there are commitment issues with this person. So this is all I have for you, Cancerians. All the best, and thank you for tuning in, and bye bye.